Ever felt like there's a hidden playbook guiding the choices of successful property investors? Buckle up as we take you through the playbook of investment masters, revealing the insider strategy that could be your ticket to financial success. Here is the power of early-stage property investments. Let's kick things off by discussing the benefits of getting into the real estate game during its early stages. First mover advantage. In real estate, the early investor catches the best deals. Being among the first movers in the project provides you the following advantages. 1. Entry at lower price. Early investors get to purchase properties at lower prices than those who invest later in the development cycle, as property prices increase with time as construction nears possession. 2. Choice of unit. Early buyers have wider selection of units to choose from, including the best facing, the corner units, the direction and flow of choice. 3. Inaugural offers. Developers offer special benefits to buyers at the beginning of the project. These can be in the form of discounts, parking charges waivers, preferential pricing on fit-outs and club memberships, waived maintenance fees, and so on. Capital appreciation. Timing is key. The sooner you invest, the more time your property has to appreciate in value. We're talking about maximizing profits by selling at higher prices before the final installment of the sales value is due. For example, if the price of a property has increased by 20% and you decide to exit after paying 50% of sales value, then you make a profit of 40%, which is way more than the increase in property prices. P.S. This is the insider secret only seasoned investors know. Now that you're hooked on the benefits, let's explore the different stages of early investment. Pre-launch stage. Developers at times tease a project before all approvals are in, creating buzz and excitement in the market. However, developers accepting bookings in this stage is rare. For the investor, this stage ensures the least possible rates, but are risky investments as they come without proper approvals. Launch stage. Sales kick off after all approvals are in place in this stage. Construction too can now commence. Units are released for sales, but prices may be higher than the pre-launch stage. Risks associated with early-stage property investments. Both pre-launch and launch stages have inherent risks associated with them, like construction timelines might not be adhered to. Quality of construction may be a question. Now that you're ready to jump in, here are things to watch out with early property investment. Developer reputation, project location, and payment details. Do not deposit amounts in any third-party accounts. Keep an eye out for upcoming projects to get in early. And there you have it, future real estate tycoons. Whether you are chasing the thrill of early investments or seeking the security of the launch phase, understanding the game is your key to success. Remember, it's not just about owning property, it's about building your wealth and securing your financial future. Do check out our description for more information about projects in which you can invest early. Happy investing!